Who are you? Hi. 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 Me? I'm you from the future, like 8 years. Oh, okay. Well, I actually wanted to stop by and talk to you about homeschooling. Oh, I'm still homeschooling, right? Oh, yeah. You are totally still homeschooling. I just wanted to give you some pointers. Yeah, that's fine. So I can ask you how many kids I get to have? And, what's that on your face? This? You know what? I probably don't even need it here. I mean, I hope I don't need it here, but just don't worry about that right now. Homeschooling, yes, homeschooling. So how many kids do I have? Oh, you can ask me how many kids, but I can't really give you that information. But I can tell you will have more. Man, I gotta go through labor again? Oh yeah, I know. Labor totally sucks. I totally get it, but you know what? You live. Okay. Oh, you look great, by the way. Thanks. Yeah, no, you know what? That's actually the first point I want to give to you is really start working on eating healthy. Do some research, find out what kind of diets interest you, and just delve right into it and eat healthy. Because you know what? You're tired right now, aren't you? Yeah, you have no idea. Oh, I get it. I totally get it. Oh, yeah, right. Look, seriously, cut out the junk, cut out the carbs, focus on whole foods. You're gonna have more energy, you're gonna sleep less, and you know that brain fog? That brain fog is gonna go out the window, and you know what? You can start to take the time to focus on your kids because you're caring about yourself and your health. Just trust me on this one. I can do that? Oh yeah. You can totally do that. I know you can do that. But I am going to warn you that it's really, really hard. And a lot of people are going to criticize you. I can do that. Okay, so can you tell me what kind of curriculum I need to pick out for my kids? Okay, curriculum for you, I think you need to go through the journey and do the research because that's the only way that you're going to learn what's right for our kids. And also, take the time to really learn about those different approaches like unschooling and Charlotte Mason and traditional. And oh, by the way, there'll be an iCard right up here for a playlist if you want to check out what those approaches are. What's an iCard? iCard? Oh, I didn't say iCard. No, we're good. Homeschooling. Yeah, curriculum. You need to go on that journey yourself. And actually, I think you need to spend more time getting to know our kids. Oh, no, I spend time getting to know them. Oh, no, you need to get to know them because each of our kids, they're very different. And I know you don't spend the time delving into what you enjoy as much as what they enjoy. I mean, here and there, yeah, do your things that you enjoy, but really focus on what they need and what they enjoy. Get down on the floor, do those puzzles, play those blocks, read books to them at their level. Don't pull out a book that is above their level. Please do it at their level. I know you're excited, but get the board books, read Hungry Caterpillar multiple times, and try to slow down and enjoy it. I'll try. Look, they go fast. I know. You hear that all the time. They go fast. Okay, everybody says that. I know, but they really do. Wait, but hold on. Before we get on a little tangent, we gotta talk about those state standards. Okay, state standards. The ones that you printed out and you highlighted and you circled. And do that. Mm-hmm. The kindergarten state standards that you printed out for your 3-year-old. Okay, just trash them. What? Why? This is not why you decided homeschooling, and it's not what homeschooling is about. Look, if you want to follow those state standards, get your butt up and go send him to public school because that's what it is. Okay, as you well know, we decided to homeschool because of the environment and because of our faith. And state standards aren't part of the environment. Look, I know you. Trust your gut, trust your kids, trust the curriculum that you pick out, and just have fun. Don't put your kid in a box. Look, I'm going to tell you right now, each and every one of your kids is completely different from the other one, and they're not perfect. In fact, some of them are going to be really good at one subject, and some of them are going to be really bad at other subjects, and it's just, you know what? It's not perfect across the board. So take those state standards and throw them out the window and just you know what? You need to de-school yourself as a teacher. Ooh, de-school? What's de-school? Oh yeah, well you need to know what deschooling is. Look it up. It's all about like, you know, taking a break and just chillaxing. Chillax. Like just don't teach, don't think about teaching, don't try to teach, get away from it. Deschool. Like unschool. Like as teachers, because we were, and then we went through the public school system and it was like, we like need to deschool and deschool all the time and not stop deschooling. So don't stop deschooling. Okay, well, that sounds good. You know, thanks for the advice. Look, right now, what you need to do, you have a 3-year-old and a newborn. You need to stop thinking about teaching and you need to focus on playing with your kids. And I know you don't like it too much, but you need to do it. And in the beginning, I really want you to think about teaching them manners, teach them good habits, like, you know, picking up their toys, because I know they like to make messes, but teach them how to pick up their toys. Yeah, I get that. Put others first, sharing with each other, respecting one another, respecting you as a parent. Look, you teach them all these skills. Homeschooling in the future is going to be so much easier because you trained them and you've trained yourself to train them. And please stop comparing yourself to other moms and other public school kid moms. Just don't do it. Okay, I think I could do that. Oh, and just really quick, this is the most important thing, if anything, is take time to read the Bible to them every single day. Even if they don't understand it, get into that habit. Get a children's Bible. Oh, what about the curriculum? It's so hard to find Bible curriculums. Oh, don't worry about the curriculum because the Bible is good in and of itself. Just read the Bible or a children's Bible to them every night. And if they don't get it, whatever, you'll get to it later. And start thinking about those stories and implementing them and living them in your life now. Care about others, put others first, those kind of things. Oh, you know what? I gotta go. My time is running out. But you know, there's a couple things that I want to share with you. Is right now, pull out all your 401ks and put stock into Tesla. Tesla? Tesla. T-E-L-S-A. I think just do it. Just trust me on this one. And you know what? While you're at it, you know, go ahead and start a YouTube channel like now. YouTube? You mean that dating thing? Yeah. Well, no, it's different in the future. So what I'm trying to tell you is, you know, just start it now and just, you know, have fun with it. Do it as a hobby. Like, don't put too much into it. And don't worry about all the... Just do it. Trust me. You're gonna love it. Okay, I'll think about it. Oh, I gotta go. It was nice chatting with you, and bye. Bye. Hope this video was fun for you guys to watch, and I hope you got something out of it to help you as you begin your homeschool journey, or if you're a seasoned homeschooler, just to kind of reflect on the past and think about things that you could have done differently, or advice that you would have given yourself and what you can do now to just kind of help yourself move forward. We're all here to encourage each other, so if you want to join our family and journey with us as we raise our kids as homeschoolers and my daughter who has Down syndrome, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and there is a bell notification in the corner. So if you don't want to miss any of our videos, make sure to click on that bell because that will notify you every single time, because YouTube doesn't always do that if you don't click the bell notification. My name is Leilani, this is our channel Living with Eve, and I'm gonna stick some videos around my face right now that I think you guys would really enjoy watching. And don't forget to leave a comment, and I will see you in our next video.